Good afternoon, everyone. This is Phil, CEO and co-founder of Moro AI. A senior engineer is walking to the fab at 2 a.m. The quality issues happen. He knows exactly what to do because he has done it for thousands of times. But the next year, he retires. And knowledge just walk out the door with him. For manufacturers, this is no longer staffing issues. It is a direct business risk. Quality loss, downtime, slower troubleshooting, and struggle to replace the expertise that already built for decades. Take machinery industry, for example. The machinery scrapping is critical to equipment performance and long-term precision, while it still relies heavily on human experience, and it is just a tip of the iceberg. Across all the manufacturing, it is a $1.5 trillion problem. For manufacturers, even factory generates terabytes of data. It's still hard to make decision. Why? The data scatters through all the disconnected systems and trip inside of humans' head. The problem has never been a lack of data. The problem is how to use it. And this is why we built Moro AI. Moro AI, an AI agent platform built for manufacturing. We start from integrated structured data, ERP, MES, together with unstructured data, SOPs, reports. On top of that, we built 20 plus agents that really understand the manufacturing workflow and factory logic. So for machinery industry, we solve their problem. Now, critical scrapping knowledge can be preserved through our AI agent. Our agents are able to analyze the scrapping quality, are able to identify the potential issues, and provide actionable suggestions for the engineer to improve the equipment quality. Genetic AI can never do this. So behind our agents are our domain-specific AI and large model built on proprietary data from 5 major industries, and this is our moat. Every deployment we make, our manufacturing intelligence becomes stronger, improving the domain know-how, accelerating the agent deployment, and compounding the data advantage across industries. We charge our customer with platform setup fee, annual platform subscription fee, and additional domain agents based on selected use cases. And we started here in Taiwan, scaled through the thriving ecosystem in manufacturing. Our solution have already been validated in both advanced manufacturing and traditional manufacturing. With our channel partner, NVIDIA and Oracle, we're now expanding our business in US and Southeast Asia. More AI's domain-specific AI and larger models serve as the brain of the next generation of the manufacturing. Our future-facing product roadmap aims to become the core decision layer, powering the applications such as physical AI, digital twins, among all the potential problems in manufacturing. We have achieved 8-time customer growth, 230% worldwide revenue growth, and we're targeting 10 million ARR by 2028. Our founding team gathering talent from top-tier manufacturing and tech company. And I'm Phil. I'm a PhD in industrial engineering and over a decade experience solving AI in manufacturing. And we're also backed by extraordinary advisors and investors, including SparkLabs Taiwan and Omi Venture, the Silicon Valley-based manufacturing tech VC. More AI, domain-specific AI for manufacturing intelligence. Thank you.